In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change margins in Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Google Drive. Head over to drive.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see the interface with all your files and folders. In the top left corner, you'll notice a big red button labeled New. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you several options. Choose Google Docs to create a new document. If you prefer, you can also select an existing document from your file list. Just click on it, and it will open up. Now that your document is open, it's time to access the page setup to change those margins. Look for the File tab, located in the top left menu bar. Click on that, and as the menu expands, scroll down until you find the option labeled Page Setup. Clicking this will bring up a dialog box where all the magic happens. In that Page Setup dialog box, you're going to see a section specifically for margins. This is where you can customize the layout of your document. You will have fields for the top, bottom, left, and right margins. Let's break those down a bit. The top margin adjusts the space at the top of your page. For instance, if you want to make space for a header, you might want to increase this slightly. Next, we have the bottom margin, which is especially useful if you're adding footnotes or you simply want more room at the bottom. On the left side, the left margin adjustment comes into play. This is important if your document might need to be bound, or if you just prefer having some extra space for comments or side notes. Finally, the right margin performs the same function on the right side of your page. Many people choose to modify this if they want a cleaner appearance or to follow specific formatting guidelines. Once you've entered your desired measurements for each margin, it's time to save your changes. Look for the OK or Done button at the bottom of the dialog box. Click on that, and voila! Your document layout will instantly update to reflect those new margin settings. It's as simple as that. Now you can take a moment to scroll through your document and see if the new margins suit your needs. If you want to adjust them again, don't worry. You can always go back to the page setup and change it as often as you like. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the margins in your Google Docs document. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, adjusting your margins can have a big impact on the overall look and feel of your documents. So play around with different